nature taught us mastery long before we did. Nature taught us devotion long before we did. This race against time, we have forgotten something which is very meaningful. Because best things in life, the best experiences are never rushed. We've had a privilege to work with 18 plus masters. And all these masters, they come in from different walks of life. They have their own journeys, they had their own challenges. But one thing was absolutely common, and that one thing was their definition of mastery. With StoneX Mastery Series, we want to bring these powerful stories of devotion to the world. Because when we spoke to these masters, they only spoke about the process and their devotion towards the process. And that is the true definition of mastery. The results are important, but equally important is the process.